everyone, thanks for joining me here at Live in a Country today. I'm Holly, and today I'm so excited because it is another day of the 15 days of Christmas home tours. So today we're gonna be touring my sweet friend Julia's home. You must go check her out on Instagram. She's full of just beautiful farmhouse and antique inspiration. I love it. And we're gonna be taking a look into her home for this Christmas season. I am so excited. So I'm gonna get my blanket, get all cozy, and I'm gonna watch this with you all. So let's go ahead and welcome Julia, and let's go into her home, you guys.
Alrighty, welcome to my home tour. Lots of greenery here. You know, I was feeling sort of odd because really, when I decorate for Christmas, I don't bring in a ton of Christmassy stuff. So I was feeling a little odd about that. But then I realized, you know what? I gotta be me. Love these floral treasure dipped artichokes. They're a couple of my favorite things, and I've had those feather trees for about 15 years now, and I still love them just as much as I did the day I got them. So this is our living room. It's also our only gathering area. This house is super small. It is my husband's grandmother's house, so we have lived here for 5 years, and we just rent it from his parents. We have another house that we are currently Airbnb-ing out. So this is our little rental on the farm. This is one of the fun things that I did this year. I am a terracotta lover, and I planted some little bottle brush trees in terracotta, and I'm loving that. That's the only thing that I bought for Christmas this year. Everything else is just really what I normally have. My husband is fireman, Cameron's a fireman, paramedic, Sophie's an EMT, a firefighter, Chloe is going through EMT, a firefighter, and Carissa is still in high school. So we're still trying to figure out what Chris is gonna be. So this was my mantle this year. Used my dad's moose horn. We used to live in Alaska, so we have lots and lots of horns and things like that. And then my Just Joy stars from Just Joy shop, and a floral treasure wreath that I then painted these pine cones to kind of match it. And that sort of rounds out my living room. Yeah, I don't know what else to say about that. Have a big dog, so I need a big dog door. And then let's go take a look at the Christmas tree. My Christmas tree this year is kind of an outdoorsy theme. You can tell I've carried the terracotta theme by hanging all of these terracotta pots on it, and just outdoorsy type stuff. You'll also notice that in my house you're not going to find much red at all. It's not that I don't like red, it's just when I do my Christmas stuff, for some reason I don't do red. Here are my setting for, you know, Christmas Eve or whatever I'm gonna have. Loving these sugar coma and freaking Mary from 464 Candles on my Blue Sky Environment plates and bowls. And then these are from Floral Treasure as well. Love their stuff, love their quality. And these little candles I got a couple years ago at TJ Maxx. So we're gonna continue on into the kitchen area. So I have the bar area. I have these sweet little houses from Something Gray. Lauren from Something Gray and her friend made me these gorgeous little houses and trees out of cement. Some of my favorite things. You're gonna notice I have lots of plants, and they're just gonna have to keep living with the rest of Christmas decor. So here is my kitchen. little coffee area. In the kitchen, I am burning Anchored Northwest candles, and this is the apple and maple bourbon, and it is one of my favorite scents. So funny story about those black mugs. I had to have them. They were so expensive, had to have them. I can't use them. They make everything taste weird to me, so it's just a good lesson for me, and when I have to have it, might not be the best thing for me. So just a little tree with completely no decorations. Did I forget? Nope. Am I gonna do any? Nope. That's it. I'm done. Just Joy Shop made these gorgeous metal trees. And so of course I had to put them with some of my antlers that I got from Eddie Alice Art. And then my vintage bulbs. So I have a whole huge box of bulbs, but this year I just brought out the white ones to use. And that is the kitchen. So super small house. It's only 2-bedroom. So you've seen the entry and the living room and the dining room and now the kitchen. So we're gonna swing around here and go into the bathroom. So this is the one that the kids use. So we have a little mini house for my daughter, and my other daughter lives inside with us. So that's the one that she uses. Oh, let's see, better talk about, I'm burning in here Misty Candle Company. I am burning her Marissa. It's one of my favorite, mint and vanilla. And let's see if we can walk down here. This is the master bedroom. So in here, kept it super simple and plain. Just put a couple trees on either side of the bed, and I have this beautiful tray from Blue Sky Interior Design. Love their stuff that they have. The plates and the cup came from them as well. And so on my dresser, all I did was I just got a big thing of rosemary from the yard and just kind of plunked a little sparkly thing in there and put some balls in a bowl, and that is about it. And I am burning mistletoe makeout in here by 464 candles. So you can see still have tons of plants that I have to shove various places during the Christmas season. Super simple in the bathroom too. Let's see, what do I have in here that's Christmassy? Just some greens and some balls put into that terrarium, and that rounds out the bathroom. So 2-bedroom house, 2nd bedroom is right up here. So you can see that we're going right back into the entryway. And here is Chris's room, and we just kept it super simple with her tree and her little throw and a Christmas countdown pillow. But that is it. I mean, I feel kind of silly doing a tour of my house because it takes all of 5 minutes to do, but I'm hoping that you liked what you saw. I'm hoping it gave you some good vibes, and I hope that you have a very Merry Christmas.
Thank you so much for watching Living It Country today, and I hope you guys enjoyed another 15 days of Christmas home tours.